Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
I can hear you. I said somebody's having fun. Whoa. Alright, y'all boys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got another smooth POV for y'all boys. As y'all can see by the title, we will be sliding every corner we take in the STOLN cat. I appreciate y'all for the love that this channel been receiving. I'm at past 13K subs now. Appreciate all the support I've been getting. Still waiting on the new front lip to come in. That hasn't came in yet. And then we got some performance mods coming to the cat too. Green belt, pulley, tune, all that. Make sure y'all boys follow the gram, go support the STOLN cat, you feel me? I'll be dropping content updates on there weekly, so you'll know when I'm about to drop. But I ain't gonna do too much talking. I'll catch y'all boys in the whip.
Chaser. I went Kurt Gaga at first, so great at the double G on my loafer.
She wanna be living so lavish, Chanel on the pillow, double C right on the sofa. I want the diamonds, a little offset on the necklace. I would do it for the culture. They wanna.
I'm not gonna lie, I've had plenty of people ask me, STOLN, how are you affording these gas prices? Gas ain't cheap. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all about a way you can make some extra money off from your phone that is 100% legit. A lot of people feel like this is too good to be true, so let me break it down for you so you can understand how it works and why they can pay you for just playing games on your phone. Free Cash works with app games to help them find new users like you. These apps and games are willing to pay for new users because a lot of the users actually end up liking the game and end up making the apps money once they play the games for a while. Free Cash helps put some of that money back in your pocket as they share some of what they get paid back to you. I'm telling y'all, it's real simple. If you already like playing games on your phone, you might as well go ahead and sign up. And the sign up process is simple. You can make a completely free account with nothing but an email and password. It's not a way to get rich quick. You can make $10 to $20 playing games that you already like, or try some new ones. This is 2026. This is one of the best ways to make some side cash for real. And if you're really dedicated on it, you can make over $200 on some. But like I said, it's completely free to try. Scan the QR code or click the first link in the description and check it out to make some extra cash. Pay for some of this gas. Boy, oh boy. Delayed shift right there, I ain't gonna lie, that's me. Boy, oh boy. Yo, TJ made that wildin'. I love this street so much, bruh. I'ma slide in auto, see how that shit feel. Hold that bitch, nigga. I low-key let off, then I had to hold it. I low-key let off, then I had to hold that bitch again. Come on, we getting our practice in. I'm mad the ground ain't wet like it's supposed to be. Oh shit. Boy, we holding that thing, boy. Getting my practice in. I ain't never do none of this in scat. Holding that shit, boy. Look, hey, I do a rolling burnout without the brake anytime. But I ain't sliding with no big ass pothole at, bro. I'm lower. I was supposed to swing that bitch back to the right, bro. I sold, but it's cool though. Fuck, we might as well hit the back of the warehouse. Look, some real sliding in. What that boy feeling like? That boy back there dogging it, boy. We gotta hurry up though. Oh shit. How you doing?
Hey man, I can hear you. I said somebody's having fun.
Yeah.
I'm gonna video you.
Oh man. Have a good one. I gotta break the fear of manjin, bro. I'm getting it, but it's like, you feel me? I can do way better than what I'm doing. That boy TJ back there going stupid. Oh, it's raining too, which is perfect. Whoa, I was holding that bitch a little too good, boy. Come on now. I'm gonna let that car go by. We getting it way better now, bro. Way better than what it was, boy. Way better than what it was, boy. I don't even know where we should go now, I ain't gonna lie. Let me go down the street some more. Of course it wanna start raining now, bro. Nah, I'm getting it way better, bro, but hell yeah.
I'm gonna smack a curve leaving the first time.
Ah, hell. Nah, it's just on my 360. I'm finna go straight, go in front of me. Go ahead. That boy is dogging. Oh shit. I'm thinking this nigga taking me somewhere. That boy holding that shit, boy. Whoa. Turn that bitch a little too much. This nigga TJ. Bro, I be forgetting I have it switched to manual, bro. I used to be in the auto. Of course, the rain want to start coming down now when we're, you feel me, when we're almost finished, bro. Like, come on now. Come on now, boy. Boy, oh boy.
Good slide session, bro.
You should have had your ski on, bro. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, that shit was fun as hell. Let me know if y'all want a part 2 to this vid for sure. I'm gonna definitely do one soon. I appreciate y'all for checking this video out. Make sure y'all boys subscribe. Make sure y'all boys follow the Instagram. Make sure y'all boys go follow TJ to the 1K. And I'll catch y'all boys in the next one.